and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to cook, or prepare rather, because there's not a lot of cooking going on. So we're going to prepare salpicón de marisco or seafood salad. And this is one of the favorites in my family. They love it. We make it mostly during the summertime because it's taking cold, but you can make it at any time. You can prepare it anytime. And it's so basic that it's just to put everything in the bowl, mix and put in the fridge to cool. It's as quick as that. So in no particular order, we'll start with the seafood sticks. So we'll put all in the bowl. Then we'll add, I got prawns, already cooked prawns. If your ones are not already cooked, you will have to cook them beforehand. And I have a mix of small prawns, big prawns that unfortunately shrink after you cook them, and then we have a medium-sized prawns, so they all go in there. Medium size are at the bottom there, not much bigger, but hey, it is what it is. So we've done that. Ooh, there's a piece of escapee there. We're going to add some olives, pitted olives. If you don't want to lose any of your teeth, you will want pitted olives. But it's looking good already. We're going to add some color, and these are roasted peppers that are like pimientos del piquillo, finely chopped, very chopped, like that. I don't know if you can see, very small. And we are going to spread them like that. This is going to be so delicious. You're not going to believe it. As usual, you're not going to believe it. Then we have white asparagus that we get from a jar. That's most of the things here. Let's go. And this is the way my mom used to make it. Other people may make it a different way, but this is the way that my mom used to prepare it. So I got the onion, and I'm going to put only half of the onion here, like that. And I'm going to tell you why. Let's see. Now we're going to do something with the egg, the onion. We're going to make a vinaigrette. So what we're going to do with the vinaigrette is we're going to put the onions, the rest of the onions, in this little bowl. So we move it from one bowl to another. Yay, excellent. And with the eggs, we're going to cut them in half, and we're going to remove the yolk. It's going to go in this bowl. That one's going to go there. So yolk out. Let me leave the knife. So I'm always going to leave my finger somewhere. And we cut the other egg that broke. I'm going to remove the yolk and the yolk, and those will go there. So with the eggs that we have here, we're going to just chop them like that with the whites. I'm going to chop, 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 without cutting our fingers and leaving anything in there. I don't think it will be tasty. And now what we're going to do, we're going just to crumble the yolk. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Crumble, crumble, crumble. We're going to add some salt. If I had pink salt, I would be happier. But as I always say, I don't have pink salt, so we do with what we have. I have a vinaigrette here. I've got cider vinegar 4 spoons and olive oil 8 spoons. It will go in there. This is going to be a lovely fresh parsley, so I'm going to put some dried one. My parsley plant died over the summer, so I don't have fresh parsley. And what we do now, we mix it all like this. This is going to be so nice. You see, It didn't look like much, but look at that now. And then what we will do is we're going to pour it all over it, okay? All of it. We don't want to leave anything behind. We're going to mix it all. And we mix it with love and care, because it's the food that we are going to eat. So look at this. Isn't it looking amazing already? So once that we mixed well, what we're going to do is we're going to cover it with cling film, and we're going to stick it in the fridge at least for an hour. At least for an hour. And we will get it out of the fridge about half an hour before we serve it. And this will be